right round two. A little more rail fanning. They had the fence, but then there was like a, said trespassers will be fined, climb the fence. I went around it, so here we are. This one's kind of busy. See trains all the time. So, there's a jackrabbit over there. Yeah. 7th day of July, 2024. Yeah, it's a pretty Mr. Popularity one here. I see a train up there right now. So you can see. This is a yard. This is a Canadian Pacific one. So they go back and forth. There's three train tracks. Canadian Pacific one. This one runs. This goes all the way into St. Paul. Trespass will be prosecuted. Caribou Coffee's right here. Get off on France Avenue. They just throw all this stuff around. They're saying they should be throwing that stuff and recycling that steel. You can kind of see a train up there. Nice day for train spotting, rail fanning. I see a lot of trains go past here. They'll sit over here and what's that? Something died there. See those bones? Something got killed there. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty big yard. So something got killed there. God knows, someone killed a dog or something or a cat and threw it in there, so who knows. But yeah, it's a nice day for videoing, walking around, you know. That way is Brooklyn Center, Brooklyn Park. I did some of the pedestrian bridges. Up there's that Walmart that was abandoned. Now they've made it into something. So. I'd be surprised if a train came by, but I see a stop sign coming, so I don't see anything coming right now. Best day to rail fan on the weekends. That way you're not, no one's in the business you're parking in. Less prying eyes. So there's a lot of stuff along the way here that gets. There's a couple manufacturing companies up there. This goes parallel, then it goes across. It goes across 94. So Canadian Pacific runs out of a big yard over in St. Paul. They do a lot of the railing in here. BNFF it does well. But you can tell the yard way up there. They're switching. Lumber yards still bring their lumber in on trains. Yeah. Bail for lease. Could have came in over here too as well, but got to pick your poison where you come in from. I thought I was going to have to for a minute. See, I come on over here on the other side, but I got lucky and I go around the fence. I'm like, huh. park right there and come up here, but they got all kinds of stuff here. Yeah, little rail fanning, train spotting. We're gonna go do pedestrian bridge next. Go on home and I gotta do the lawn. Got my snapper mowing down back. I saw somebody at a scrapyard junked about 2 or 3 different John Deeres. God, I was like, oh, I'll be able to buy all 3 of them, fix them up and sell them and spray paint them a color of your favorite team. It's like, because yeah, you can buy them. I'll give me $100, but do I have anywhere to repair them? No, but that's what I like to do. I was like, really? So they do a lot of these old lawnmowers. They scrap them out. Yeah, we're crossing over 100 right now. Yeah, it's a big yard down there. You can see that guy down there switching. I 100. More bones here, it looks like. More critters. I don't know. Something's getting killed out here. I don't know, who knows? Run around the tracks and maybe they kill the dog or cat and they throw the body out here. I have no idea. My dad used to bring home all kinds of aluminum and shovels and stuff. All kinds of stuff. So, you throw stuff in the railroad tracks all the time. You saw those masks I showed you back in the archives when I was walking that last video, you know. Look at these are nice metal ones right here. Look at those. Those suckers aren't going anywhere. Those cement ones you saw on the light rail, those are going to break. They're going to be pissed. I see some Muslim thing over here. So, yeah. He's still down there switching. He ain't come my way yet. Beauty of this camera, I can plug in my Samsung and charge this as well with my phone, so it's kind of nice. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, no trains yet. There's another bone structure here. I don't know. Maybe they're sacrificing something over there at the chapel. I have no idea. So, who knows? It's probably you find the railroad tracks. But anyways, guys, gotta love it. There's those bones up here. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one, okay? Maybe it's prehistoric, but I doubt it. So, all right, guys. Rail fan extraordinaire, blah, blah, blah.